In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Word using this 2025 guide. Now, this is a great way to enhance your productivity by leveraging the power of AI to assist in writing, editing, and much more. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's open up our preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. You should see the familiar search bar front and center. In that search bar, type the word Word and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Microsoft Word. Look through the options and click on the official Microsoft Word website link. This is usually among the top results and should have the trusted icon indicating it's the official site. Once you're on the Microsoft Word website, browse through the available documents. You can either open a new document or an existing one if you have something specific you're working on. Simply click on the document that you want to work with. Now, here's the exciting part. Some versions of Microsoft Word have Microsoft Copilot already integrated, so there's actually no need for any additional installation steps. If you're using one of these versions, you should see a Copilot button somewhere on the interface. Give it a click. As you interact with Copilot, you'll notice it presents you with several pre-made prompts. These prompts are designed to help you quickly edit the content of your document using intelligent suggestions. To use them, simply click on the prompt that fits your needs. After selecting a prompt, if you're satisfied with the changes suggested by Copilot, or if you've made your own edits based on those suggestions, it's time to finalize the edits. You'll find a Submit button on the interface. Click on this to apply the changes to your document. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added and utilized Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft Word. Not only is this a game changer for drafting and editing documents, but it's also a huge time saver. With that, you're all set to let Microsoft Copilot enhance your Word experience, giving you more time to focus on other tasks. Don't forget to explore and experiment with the different prompts to find out what works best with your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video guide helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your software tools. Catch you in the next video.